People call Montenegro as the poor man's Croatia, and coming to Perast, it seems contradictory. It's a rich man's Kotor. The Perast is 10 kilometers far away from Kotor, where I'm staying right now. Kotor itself is a very beautiful place, but then I was being informed that I should visit Perast once I'm in Kotor, and it seems that absolutely it's a must visit. So I just quickly go through this promenade of Perast. This is the famous church. It's a coastal town, very small town in far away into the Bay of Kotor, and I've come from the islands as well, but the vibe here is just amazing. I'm assuming that the evening would be even better. People are really on the preparation mode. Okay, let me just do a quick tour of the promenade. So as you can see, as it's a coastal city, fish and seafoods are the key things. So people are already having their lunch right now, with a view of the Bay of Kotor on their right or their left if they're sitting this side. It's an amazing view. To be very honest, I just luckily came to this place, had no intentions, no planning, but boy, I would have missed it if I have not come in here. This is another very chic and great hotel. Just came here to show this one. Isn't this nice? Same goes for this. It's an orange tree. Wow. Okay, back on track. Kayaking is very famous over here. So you can see lots of colorful kayaks placed. People are just strolling around. I was coming here from a local bus, and today is a holiday in Montenegro, so the buses ply every 2 hours. So I had to wait at least even more than that to get a bus. And on the view while coming this side was amazing. And I'm thinking of walking down back from here to Kotor, which is roughly 12 kilometers. Yeah, it's a you can say that I'm crazy, but I'll give it a try. The view is amazing. It says hotel guest only, so I can't come in, but look at the view. I don't understand how Montenegro is still not into the touristy map of Europe. It is superb. Okay, enough of blabbering. I'll just quickly complete this walk. People are cycling. Summer dresses are out. It's a beautiful place. I had literally folks selling seashells.
Hi. Hello.
Nice, lovely people. Oh, the kid was angry. So far away you can see that island. That's Our Lady of the Rocks, from where I've come just now. And there are many other touristy places which one can take to get the boat rides. Now these Boat taxis are quite a scam. You can be asked from 10 euros to 5 euros to even 1 euro.
Hi, hello.
Hello. The city is amazing, and I'll stop my video on this frame. It can't be better than this. Perast is beautiful. Luckily I came here and I don't regret a bit. Okay, one final view of the Bay of Kotor. Hello. People are lovely. So is the place.